In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a private window in Brave. If you're looking for a quick way to browse without saving your history, searches, or cookies on your device, Brave's private window is exactly what you need. It's perfect for signing into a second account, looking up GIFs on a shared computer, or running searches you don't want mixed into your regular recommendations. Just remember, private windows prevent local saving on your device, but they don't make you invisible to websites, your network, or your internet provider. Let's get started by opening the Brave browser. If it's already open, make sure it's the active window on your screen. Now move your cursor to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see a menu button with 3 horizontal lines. This is often called the hamburger menu, and it's where Brave keeps most of its quick actions and tools. Click that menu button and look for the option labeled New Private Window. Go ahead and select it. Brave will immediately open a separate window dedicated to private browsing. You'll notice it looks slightly different from your regular window, often with a distinct theme or a clear private indicator, so you can easily tell them apart. If you prefer an even faster method, there's a built-in shortcut you can use. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. As long as Brave is in focus, the private window will pop open instantly. Shortcuts are a great way to streamline your workflow, especially if you open private windows often. While you're using this window, Brave won't save your browsing history, form entries, or cookies after you close it. That means when you open a new regular window later, your private session won't carry over. Downloads and bookmarks are the exception. They're kept on your device, just like normal, so you can access files you saved. Also keep in mind that some extensions are disabled by default in private windows for extra privacy, which helps reduce tracking. A quick tip for confidence: if a site asks you to sign in again in a private window, that's expected. Private sessions don't reuse your existing cookies or logins from regular browsing. And when you're done, closing every private window ends that temporary session and clears the associated data from your device. That's all it takes to open a private window in Brave, either through the menu or with a simple keyboard shortcut. Happy browsing, and stay mindful of what private mode does and doesn't cover.